Signal is a popular app for those looking for a privacy-focused alternative to WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook Messenger. It has many of the features you would expect from a messaging service, including a desktop app. Well, let me show you how it works. One of the biggest selling points of Signal is the automatic end-to-end encryption of messages. If that's something you're interested in, you probably want it everywhere, not just on your phone. So Signal offers the same privacy features in its desktop app. In order to use Signal on the desktop, you must have Signal app installed on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. The first step is click the link in the description that will lead you to the official Signal website. It will allow you to download Signal app for desktop. There is a button download for Windows. If you are on Windows, just click that. If you are on Mac, you're going to click Signal for Mac. And if you're on Linux, just click Signal for Linux. Okay, once you install the Signal app for desktop, you're going to open it. And the first thing you're going to see here is a QR code. This is how we are going to connect our phone with desktop app. Okay, so next step for us is to open the Signal app on our phone, on Android or iPhone device, and tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to settings. You'll see multiple options here. Just click on link devices, and when you try again, and you will see a plus option here in the bottom right corner. You tap on that. Now it will ask you to scan the QR code displayed on the device to link. The code on our screen here is shown, and when we scan that, it will ask us to link this device, and we are going to tap link device. It will be asking you to choose a device name. Just you can rename it or just click finish linking phone. This will sync your contacts and groups. Okay, once the sync process has been completed, you will see all the contacts on your desktop Signal app. The desktop interface is very similar to the mobile app. You can make video calls and voice calls, send audio messages, attach photos and videos, and use stickers. Everything you do on your phone, you can do it here in the desktop app. That's it. You can now use Signal from your phone and computer simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, do comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.